Have you ever thought of killing two birds with one stone? Two birds with one stone. Here is a DeFi deep freezer due to electricity, due to ZESA, due to load shedding. This is what's happening. Then this is another DeFi. It's a DeFi as well. Due to electricity, we have to replace the compressor. Compressor replacement. This is the front view of the DeFi. It's a DeFi, upright, frost free. It was affected with electricity. Let's check the inside. As you can see, it's a frost free. Let's check the bottom. Always use a fridge guard to protect your fridge from electricity, high voltage. Continuation, this is that freezer. Let's see the inside. There is the inside. You see, this is regassing. These are the two compressors that we have removed. These are the two compressors we have removed. There is the company, Breezy Refrigeration, Residential, Commercial and Industrial Air Conditioning, Installation, Supply Services. Our WhatsApp number is the one in net one 0719, and it works on both calls and WhatsApp as well. There is our email, and the other number is for calls only.